What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in, and today we got a good one for you. 6 reasons why you'll never be rich. Yep, we're gonna keep it real with you today, guys. Stay tuned for the episode. Let's get it.
All right, guys, let's dive into this. Number 1, you do not invest in yourself. Now, investing in yourself is not a monetary thing per se. This could be going to workshops, master classes, mastermind classes, speech classes. No matter what it may be, you need to take the time to educate yourself, to bring yourself up so you can level up, so you can be one day successful in your own right. You have to be able or be one of those people who is going to go out of their way to fill themselves up with knowledge, to read more books, to listen to more podcasts, to listen to people who have made it, who are successful. You have to be diligent. You have to do these things. You have to invest in yourself.
At number 2, guys, we got you're hoping your job makes you rich. You're hoping that if you show up every day that you'll get a promotion. You're hoping that your manager doesn't notice you showing up late, but you're hoping that you somehow, some way get that promotion. Hope is not a strategy, guys. Currently, your skill set is at $25 to $30 an hour, but you hope if you stay with the company just doing the bare minimum to get promoted up to a $50 to $100 an hour job. I'm here to let you guys know that's not how life works, guys. Hope is not a strategy. You must come up with a game plan to invest in yourself, to improve your skill set, to build your resume. And remember, always lead with value, guys.
Along with that, you have to advocate for yourself. You have to be the one to speak up to your supervisor, whoever is higher than you, to say, I deserve this position because of X, Y, Z. Along with that, be an advocate for you. Hope is not a strategy. Number 3, we all know these types of people. We work with these types of people. We sometimes live with these types of people. Sometimes these people are our friends. These are the types of people that somehow they know absolutely everything. If you are one of those people who believes that they know everything, that you are God's gift to mankind, you're absolutely wrong. Why? Because there's not one person who knows everything. There's always someone better looking, smarter, more intelligent than you. If you're one of those people who are cutting other people off while they're speaking, maybe someone who's higher up than you or even lower than you on the corporate ladder or whatever it may be, you always have the capacity to listen to people and learn and take in skills. This is a crucial asset into growing and networking through life because no one likes a know-it-all, especially the higher ups. They do not have time for people who think they know more than them.
Guys, in order to get ahead in life, you must have a thirst for knowledge, guys. You must have a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to invest in other people with your ears. With your ears, not with your mouth. Pause. So make sure you guys get out of that bad habit of thinking you know everything and be willing to learn everything you possibly can from a colleague, co-worker, associate, whatever.
Now this is number 4, but this is a huge one. You are spending too much money or you're spending more than you make. You're in massive amounts of credit card debt because you like to party, because you like to show off, because you like to flaunt and be, the big guy or girl on the top shelf, always buying drinks, always doing the most, always showing off. This is detrimental to success, to becoming rich. Because what you're doing is you're trying to impress people who actually they probably don't care or they probably aren't paying attention. They're just there for the free stuff, or they're just there to say, my friend does this. Stay away from those types of people who actually don't care about you, and stay away from terrible spending habits. Learn to budget, learn to itemize your money and making sure it's allocated into appropriate accounts, appropriate situations, and because you don't have to go out and show off. Your success will show enough for you.
Number 5, guys, you only have one source of income. The average millionaire, as you know, has 7 sources of income. Now, we're not saying you're supposed to go overnight and make up 7 streams of income, but with over time, you learning and investing in yourself and learning from others, it's going to expose you to more opportunity. So now you see how this all ties in, guys. So let's focus on investing in ourselves, meeting new people, networking, and potentially you can fall into some great opportunities which can increase your income.
Number 6, and our last one, is you do not have a source of passive income. You're not making money while you sleep. Now, we're not necessarily saying that you have to go out and buy a bunch of houses to establish rental properties or multifamily units or anything like that, but you can invest in smart index funds or stocks or things like that of that nature, where you are compounding your interest and growing money over time and throughout the years, so you have something to fall back on or leave to your kids in the future. You want to be making money while you sleep. You don't want to use a savings account for everything. That is not creating you wealth. That is not going to make you rich. Make sure you look into establishing some ETF funds, some index funds, getting into the stock market. This is a great way to compound interest and make money along the way. And there you have it, guys. That is 1 through 6 of our top ways and top reasons of why you are not rich. If you disagree, please comment below. If you agree and you support what we're saying, tell us why. This has been Live Adventurously. As always, the world is yours.